Hey everyone, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you 6 of my go-to hairstyles for my long hair. So if you want to find out what they are, how to do them, then just keep on watching. So starting off the night before with freshly washed, damp hair, we are going to do 2 little French braids here. And this is the prep for my favorite hairstyle, which has been braided waves. Such an easy go-to for me. You don't really have to think about styling your hair in the morning. You just have to do this little bit of prep work at night by braiding your hair, and then you can go to sleep and wake up in the morning and have these gorgeous waves. It's been my favorite. It's been my go-to for the longest time. I do have a detailed tutorial on how to get like super voluminous braided waves, so I will leave that linked in the cards and the description box for you guys so you can check that out. But here I'm just doing 2 simple French braids, or Dutch braids I should say, and going to bed. So here's me the next morning, just waking up, what my braids look like, and here is how I like kind of clip up my hair so I can shower without like washing or wetting my hair. I just twist the braids together like this, and then just take a little lobster claw clip like this and clip it back, and then I can go ahead and like take a shower, get ready, get dressed, do my hair and makeup, or do my makeup, and then we can sit down and style the hair together. So here I am dressed with makeup. This is actually the only hairstyle where I'm actually wearing makeup. The rest I'm makeup free, so it is what it is. This particular day I just decided to wear makeup. Also, I'm still trying to get a feel for the filming setup and situation in my office. Not totally loving it, but this is just where we're at right now. So I'm doing a little bit of hair oil on my ends because they were looking a little dry, and here's what the braided waves look like, and I'm obsessed. This first hairstyle is simple because I just like to clip back the bangs. I really like to have the hair out of my face, so you'll see for really all of these hairstyles, I like to have my bangs or fringe just out of the way. So that was the first one. I just clipped the bangs back with a bobby pin. Super simple and easy. This is one you've probably seen me wear a lot in the vlogs or on my Instagram page, but I will do a high pony just on the top like this, and I just think it's super cute and spunky. It reminds me of a Lhasa Apso, which I used to have, like that was our family dog. And I don't know why this looks like a Lhasa Apso hairstyle, and I'm obsessed with it. It's so fun, and I think with the braided waves, it just adds so much fun texture. Here's what my hair looks like the next day, and we can definitely work with this, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just brush it out and create a halo braid. This has been another go-to lately. When it's just like really hot or I'm having a bad hair day, I just don't know what to do, I will just do a halo braid. I actually have a bunch of detailed tutorials on halo braids and for all different lengths. So I'm gonna link all of the videos that I have on halo braids in the description box for you guys. So depending on where your hair length is at, you can watch those to achieve this same kind of look. I think it's super easy, it's super fun. I always get compliments on my hair when I go out and about, like with my hair like this. I'll just go to the grocery store and literally people will say nice things about it, and it's just so easy to do. So if you want someone to give you a compliment on your hair, try this hairstyle. The next hairstyles that I've been loving is with my hair straight, which has been weird. I haven't been straightening my hair often, but maybe because we're in fall season now, I've just been like, I've been okay with grabbing the flat iron and straightening my hair, but I am obsessed with the trend with 2 like little braids framing your face. I've seen this all over, like celebrities rocking this, and I've seen it all over TikTok and just basically everywhere. And it's so easy and just so simple and cute. I absolutely love it. So I start off by doing a Dutch braid and then just finish off with a regular 3-strand braid. And it's just so easy and just adds a nice little accent to your straight hair. So you can definitely do this with the waves as well, but I just like how it looks with the straight hair. And yeah, again, I like to have the hair out of my face, so this is perfect. And the next hairstyle, I'm kind of embarrassed we're even doing this in this tutorial, but it's just using a very thin headband like this and just wearing the headband. That's literally it. It's not really a hair tutorial. I just put on a headband and I like it. I like it with my straight hair. It feels very preppy and put together, even though I literally just slipped on this headband and that was it. And the last one has been another favorite. These are all favorites, but this has been one I get questions all the time on, like, can I do a tutorial on this hairstyle? And it's doing these tiny little baby mini ponytails. And I've done this with my short hair as I was growing out, you know, my shaved head. I would do this hairstyle all the time, but I actually love how it looks with my long hair too. So I'm still rocking the same hairstyle. I will leave linked below the videos of me doing this hairstyle on my short hair. So if you have shorter hair, maybe that might help. But it's just very simple. I'm just sectioning off tiny sections around my face and tying it with these tiny little baby elastics. This hairstyle is very, like, it reminds me of what I wore as a child, and, like, I don't know, it feels like a throwback hairstyle. I absolutely love it. So those were all of my go-to hairstyles lately. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below, and if you try any of these out, make sure you tag me in your photos so that I can see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.